Hey guys, David HD Trucks and Equip right here in fabulous Henderson, Tennessee, and such a nice little baby doll for you today. This is a 2011. Wow, you can actually afford this one, kids. Yeah, she's got low miles. I'll show you that when we get inside. It's an F750 heavy duty chassis. Started out as a 33,000 pound GVW, but the box manufacturer re-rated it for 26,000, so now you are legal, non-CDL. Tires on it are good. They're not new, but man, there's a lot of meat left on them. It's got the little things here for you if you want to put a toolbox on it, you can. And it does have the bar and the return bar right here for Tarp. So it looks like probably the Tarp probably just got damaged and they replaced it or took it off, whatever the case may be. So just get yourself a Tarp and you'll have the cargo covered on it. Lighting, look at that heavy duty Pintle hitch, my gosh. And look at that, that's got to be one of those heavy duty, what is it, 2.5 inch maybe. And glad hands. She's an air brake truck, guys, and it's already got the air trailer brake kit on it, so you don't have to do that. All we did here was to repaint the box. We didn't do any body work, we didn't do any demo, we didn't do anything like that. Nice stainless steel 50-gallon fuel tank. Yep, she takes depth. It's an 11. Clean truck. So manual windows. That's for the strobe lights on the top. Nice truck. You got the 3-passenger seating. The driver's seat has the armrest on the inboard armrest, and it's reclining right there as well. And you got the little armrest, or if you needed to put another passenger in there, you just go like that, 3-passenger seating. So got a Chelsea PTO on it, air brakes, trailer air brake control. There's an aftermarket trailer brake controller. Don't know if it works, guys. We don't check those. Allison automatic transmission right there. And she's got the 6.7 Cummins under the hood, guys. No power stroke issues here. Look at how pretty this truck is. Look how clean this is. This is just a clean truck. So it's got AM, FM, factory sound system. It's got air conditioning on her right here. Air pressure. Transmission shifter right there. And here's one of the best parts right here. Let me turn the lights off so you can actually see that. Look at that. She's got a whole 48,000 miles on it. And look at this up here. It's got a whole, I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of dark, 1,961 hours is what that says, kids. So straight, so soft. This is such a nice little truck. Beautiful, clean, straight, just waiting for you to use it. And the air conditioning on it, nice and cool. Oh yeah, ice cold air conditioning, that's nice. Such a nice little piece right here. The PTO is on, so you know how these things work. You just go like that. And I'm just gonna show you. I'm not going to spend a lot of time. You've probably seen a dump truck once before, so we're just going to put it back down again. 100% functional. Matter of fact, we're going to just turn off that PTO. We don't need to have that running. Such a pretty truck. 2011 Ford F750. As I say, it started out as a 33,000 pound GVW. Sometimes this works, sometimes it doesn't. But the manufacturer of the box changed the GVW right there. They put it back down to non-CDL, 25,999 or 26,000, whatever. Nice truck. 2011 750 series. Tires on it are great. Box, everything works on it as it should. Strobe lights, that one over there is working. I don't know if that one's working. That one might not be working. Not too sure. Hey, it does have the tow hooks on it right there. It's got the chrome grille, the chrome hood, or the chrome bumper. Nice piece. 2011 Cummins 6.7 automatic right here at HD Trucks and Equip. If you can use that truck, you give me a call. You know how it goes. My personal cell phone number is 602-510-5444. And as always, hey guys, we really appreciate you looking.